Da, 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 da.
Hey, look, bro.
What series subs?
I have 2 DC level 2s, and they're only seeing about 750 watts each. I'm hitting about a 143 constant.
Nice.
It's a 4th order band pass. Sorry, it's 1-to-1.
1-to-1? Nice. Nice. What's the power?
They're seeing 750 watts off of 1 amp, so they're probably only taking 300 each.
Okay.
And they're being powered off of a Cypher 12K that's hidden away.
Nice. Yes, indeed. So I understand you're 18. 19.
That's correct. I'm
18. 19. All right. Dude, you're doing great stuff here for the age of 19. Keep up the goods, man. So it was for it to be a 4th too. It's like just hitting all the notes really clean and it's accurate. Did you play pink noise when you set this up?
No, I was just using the SMD tools and doing it just right. Christopher Anderson come in and set all the time alignment for me.
There it is.
The doors, I'm running DC carbon fiber 6.5 and they're Neo bullet tweets and tuned at the right, and they're tuned exactly at RMS. They won't see anything past RMS, and they blend perfectly.
Definitely keep up the great work. And it was a pleasure meeting you too, man.
You too, man.
Hey, before I leave, I'm gonna just, if you don't mind, just play a little something, and I'm gonna get some footage from outside the back where I can see the speakers moving too.
All right.
Cause I know they probably wanna. I know y'all probably wanna see that. Nah, y'all don't wanna see that. Thumbs up if y'all wanna see that. Okay.